Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI.
And if you're in need of a modern lamp, then check this one out. This is a light therapy lamp from Sunlamlux store with a remote control and touch control. What we really like about this lamp is how multifunctional it is and how modern it looks. It's very thin, it's lightweight. One of the added bonuses to this lamp is that it actually has a remote control. So that way, if you're not sitting next to your lamp, you can turn it off and on wherever you are. You can adjust the brightness, dim it. You can even have a night mode to it. You can set a timer to it. It also has a gooseneck, which makes it very easy to adjust. You just bend it up and down to your desired height, depending on what you're reading or if you're laying out underneath it, whatever it is that you want to use the light for or where you want to use the light. If you're looking for a good sun lamp or a good floor lamp, this is a good one to check out because it lets you control the brightness, it has a gooseneck, and overall it looks really modern and sleek.
And that's my point of view.